Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Anthony Salazar, they call me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Newmar Kountry Star 3709. Beautiful diesel unit. Newmar puts out a great product, very well insulated. This one has the comfort drive. It's got all the stuff that you want in a nice diesel coach. Let's walk around and check it out. It does have the side cameras. Awesome amount of storage underneath here. And it's passed through to the other side. I've got the other side doors open as well so you can see how much storage you've got in there. A little pegboard for your tools. Full body paint. Nice backup camera back there. You got your hitch here. I have these other compartments open if you want to run through there, Dan, and just take a quick peek, and then we'll go inside. Lots of storage on this unit. Really nice. Beautiful colors on this unit. Nice quality. It's just gorgeous. You got a nice fireplace here. The televator TV pops up right there, right here. So you've got plenty of counter space. You got your cooktop in here. 3-burner cooktop. Really nice. Awesome convection microwave. Nice big double sink here. Little dinette. Now that does pull out. Got a nice fridge here. Oops, let's not go past the bathroom here. Nice little your toilet and wash sink. This is a little bath and a half unit. Nice big giant bed. Nice wardrobe closet on each side, his and hers. Open this one up. Nice television. Just really a nice fit and finish. And then check out this bathroom. This is really nice. Nice big toilet area, corner shower. Nice countertop. You got a medicine cabinet in here and it's nice and deep. So you can put a lot of stuff up in here. Really a nice unit. Guys, we just touched the surface on this unit. If you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, come see me, Big Sal.